Hi guys, so this is our final recording for Tadzungaira in Nyamaropa, full Kwenda style. And behind me is the Great Zimbabwe we have had, great moments, great unforgettable moments. Yeah, I can point you there.
That's the one.
You see, that's the one. So, so because we are rushing to catch up with the sun today, so we are going straight into forward Kwenda style of Tadzungaira in Nyamaropa.
Just to remind everyone, we've got beginner, so Kushaura, Kutsinhira with song words, and then mixing those up for solo players, and then forward Kwenda style Kushaura, forward Kwenda style Kutsinhira, and then full on forward Kwenda style for every song, plus bonus recordings with other guests. But this one again, yeah, just because of the light. guys. Big love from Forward.
Yes, big love, big love from Forward.
From Andy.
And Super Brothers.
And Forward's rock. That's crazy.
And my rock. That's crazy.
Thank you so much for all the requests.
We love you so much. We're gonna keep loving you all the way. All the way. Endless love. One big hug. Bye-bye.
It's kind of like the end of all of our time together, almost. Like I've got my flight in a couple of days.
Oh, no.
Keep coming back for more, everybody.
Please stop that one, Eddie.
Okay.
Don't start that one.
We'll hopefully be getting together soon again and producing more amazing videos for you all. If there's anything that you're not sure about and what we're doing, get in touch. Whether that's what you want more of something, or you want to find out if we cover something inside already. Yeah, any questions, get in touch. We really want to do our best job. Like
just hit him.
Hit me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got a top player and hopefully someone that can help break everything down and make it easy to understand.
I understand. That's why they have to hit you. So with anything, then you come back to me, or I come back to you, or we go back to them. Challenges, we need them.
Oh yeah, we want them. We want to work for you guys. We want this job.
Yes, that's the love.
Peace
and harmony. Thank you.